So today we're making something really quick, and that's a prawn linguine. It's perfect for those midweek dinners when you want something done quick but proper. Now we're using just a bunch of ingredients, chilies, tomatoes, fresh parsley, fresh linguine, prawns, and a bit of garlic and olive oil. We're keeping it simple. As I say, it's really nice, really quick, but it's proper. So first off, I'm just going to season the hot water that I've got here, and it is boiling. So let's just season it with a good pinch of salt. Then a quick tip on the tomatoes. I'm just going to make a small incision into each of these, and I'll just pop this into the boiling water for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and that helps the skin to peel right off. So that's it now. The tomatoes come out, and that skin, as I say, is just going to peel right off. And also, because I'm using fresh pasta, I'm not going to put that in the water just yet, because fresh pasta takes, what, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm only going to do that once everything else is going. If you are using dry pasta, then you want to get that in now, because it's going to take, what, 9, 10 or 11 minutes for it to cook. So that's the time you want to get your pasta in there. So next up, pan on. A nice glug of olive oil in, then that garlic goes in first. So I've got a few cloves of garlic here, which I'm just going to quickly slice and dice. Now you can use less garlic if you prefer. I mean, I think 3 cloves for 2 servings, 2 portions is like a happy amount of garlic, but by all means use less or more as you like. So the garlic goes in, and I'm only going to get that oil infused. The garlic would probably be in there for 45 seconds. I don't really want it in there any longer, and my heat is sort of on medium now. So let's just get that oil infused. We don't want to burn the garlic, because essentially we get a bitter taste in that dish and it'll just ruin it. So next, just quick and rough chop of these tomatoes. And the tomatoes go in now. Just cook down the tomatoes slightly, and then we go in with the chili. So if I just take the stem off, I can just cut that down in the middle, and then you can just slice this as you wish. You can remove the seeds, obviously, if you want to have less heat in there. So again, just roughly chop these. Now the chili goes in. So let's just cook down the tomatoes, get that oil infused with the garlic and the chili. And now I'm just going to season this with a bit of salt and also a bit of freshly ground black pepper. So that's coming along nicely. At this point, I'm just going to get that fresh linguine in the hot water. And as I mentioned, this only takes about 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook. Obviously, you want to check the instructions on the packet of the pasta to know exactly, obviously, how long it takes for it to cook. And at this point, the prawns can go in as well. They don't also take any long at all to cook, about a minute or 2, not really long at all. I've seen a lot of people get these in really early. By the time everything else cooks, the prawns are overcooked and they just go rubbery. Now straight in with the pasta and a little splash of that pasta water. And I'll tell you what, it really already smells amazing. So just toss, toss, toss. And then I'll just quickly chop some fresh parsley. And we'll just add that in for a bit of freshness and just a pop of color. Right, I think it's fair to say that it really is it. It's now ready, so heat off, and I'm just going to start serving this. So plating up, all done. Now to give it that finishing touch, I'm just going to sprinkle a tad bit of that fresh parsley on it, and to finish off, a bit of parmesan on top. We could perhaps do with just a tad bit of that freshly ground black pepper. And that is it. Simple prawn linguine, everything done properly. Nothing's overcooked, it's simple and it's all fresh. And it's perfect for those midweek dinners when you want something proper. And I suppose that's now done it for this one. I would encourage you to give this recipe a try for yourself and also share it with your loved ones. Give the video a like. I'll see you in the next one really soon. Until then, look after yourselves and each other.